Now let's see how to compile and run a program in Python. Let's start by writing a simple code using a text editor. I'm using Sublime Text, and in this we click New File, so we get a blank file here. Now let's type a simple print statement. Print parentheses. Let's run this code. We're going to print let's run this code. Now we save this file. Choose the directory in which you want to save your file. And let's give our file a name. run_code.py. Click save. Okay, so our file is now saved. Now let's run this file. We go to our command prompt and change the directory to the one where we have saved our Python file. So cd desktop. Now we run our Python code by writing Python run_.py. So whenever you run Python code, the format will be Python space your file name .py. And there you'll see that our code is executed. It has printed, let's run this code. So that's basically how Python compiles, interprets, and runs a simple code.